In this video, we'll explore how to manage XRP using Gem Wallet. I will show you how to set up your Gem Wallet for secure storage, purchase XRP using various methods, transfer and receive XRP so you won't lose your funds. By the end of this video, you'll know how to handle any XRP transaction. So let's begin with setting up your Gem Wallet. You can get official download links on gemwallet.com and you can get Gem Wallet for both Android and iOS. Once you download Gem Wallet, you will be prompted to create a new wallet. Now you will have to write down your secret recovery phrase using pen and paper. Never store your secret recovery phrase digitally because it can get stolen very easily from your computer. So make sure you store it offline in a secure location. And once you write down your secret recovery phrase, click continue, and now you have to confirm that you actually wrote down the correct seed phrase. Once you are inside of your Gem Wallet, you probably won't see XRP right away. To enable XRP inside your Gem Wallet, click on the options menu in the top right corner, and now search for XRP. And make sure to toggle XRP on the list. And now when you go back and scroll down, you'll be able to see XRP. Now, click on XRP. And right here, we can start managing our wallet. First, you will need to get some XRP. You can buy XRP directly inside of Gem Wallet using your credit card or any other payment method that is available with these providers. If you need a detailed guide on how to buy crypto using your credit card, we already made a tutorial about this. And alternatively, you can buy XRP on exchange and just transfer it to your wallet. To find an exchange where you can buy XRP, head over to coinmarketcap.com, scroll down until you see XRP, click on this. Now, right here, select CEX, which will only show us centralized exchanges where you can buy crypto using fiat currencies like USD or euros. And now choose the exchange that is available in your country. XRP is widely available, so you'll find an exchange that works for you. And today I'll show you how this process looks on Bluefin. It's very similar on every centralized exchange. Just head over to any option that says buy crypto, then select XRP, the amount you want to buy, and choose the payment method. It's very, very simple. Obviously, different currencies will offer different payment methods, and also payment methods depend on the exchange you use. And once you buy your XRP, you'll have to head over to your assets. And now you have to locate the withdraw button. Just click on it. Now you have to select the crypto you want to withdraw. We'll choose XRP. Now for the network, we have to select once again XRP Ripple. And here you see the minimal amount of XRP that you need to actually withdraw from the exchange. For Bluefin, it's 21 XRP, so it's quite a lot. Maybe on different exchanges, the minimal amount is way lower, so you have to check it yourself. And now, it's very important, you have to choose your withdrawal address. And how can you find it? It's very, very simple. Just head over to your Gem Wallet, click on receive, and here you see your wallet address. Just click copy, and now you can just paste in the withdrawal address inside of the exchange. Once everything is correct, just click withdraw, confirm the transaction, and XRP will land inside of your Gem Wallet. And when you first transfer your funds to Gem Wallet, you'll probably notice that the amount of XRP is slightly smaller than the amount you actually sent to your wallet, because to activate a new wallet on XRP blockchain, you have to pay a fee of 1 XRP. This fee may change in the future and be slightly lower, however, you cannot bypass it, at least for now. It's just how XRP works. So now, assuming you have some XRP on your wallet, you can actually send it to a different address. To do that, just click send, and now you have to put in the receiver address, and you also have an option to add a memo. It's just a small note that's very important if you want to actually move your XRP to centralized exchange. And whenever you are moving any crypto, make sure that you use the memo that is required for this transfer. If you ever get prompted that you have to use a tag, you have to input this information inside the memo box, or you may lose your funds. And I will show you on the example on how it would look like if you wanted to transfer XRP to a centralized exchange. Just head over to your wallet on a centralized exchange and click deposit. Right now, select the crypto that you want. Today we'll choose XRP. Select the network, once again, choose XRP. And here you get a reminder that both a tag and an address are required to successfully deposit your assets. So now if you want to send XRP to centralized exchange, you have to copy this address inside of GemWallet and add this tag inside memo box. Otherwise, you risk that your funds will be lost. And unfortunately, once you send it without a tag, it's very unlikely that you will get your funds back. So always make sure and double check if you are using the correct tag for your transaction. So now you know everything you need to start using XRP. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss future tutorials, and you can also check all of our tutorials on this playlist.